Hey.
Hello po, tuloy kayo.
Dito kami.
Atin lang tayo, dapat sila.
Coffee.
Coffee, lamig.
Lamig.
Ating tab sila vlog. Pero the blood is following the para may bubong para sa ulan.
Share mo na.
Pero kung lang yung wipes ko. Kailangan kuskusin.
Here's our cozy tent place.
Hindi ko ito tapon.
The mess. Sobrang taas namin. Na-pressurize yung mga pagkain. Meron na sila. Lahat sila ngayon. Our pillows are ready. Dinner time. It's 4 p.m. Let's go. Hey. Uy, sarap. Kumusta? Sarap, no?
Doon ni
Sweet and sour. Panis. Ay, hindi pala panis. Masarap. Good morning.
Good morning.
Time check. 12:37. Grabe, hindi ko masyado nakatulog kasi ang likod ko. Ang lamig.
Ang malamig.
Yes. Pero kahit pa paano, kahit dip-idlip konti.
Yes.
Ikaw lang.
Oo, yun mo. May books ko.
Ako din. Ang lamig. Start kami ng climb ng 1 AM. Sobrang lamig. Malamig na basa. Sana okay na yung suot ko para sa lamig. Let's go.
Lamig.
Shoesing.
Susi.
Baby.
Lamig.
With lashes and soupy. Nah, dito makita. Let's go. So, muulan pa rin. Kaya nagponcho na kami. Para naman pagdating sa peak, medyo fresh. Look at this amazing woman climbing on all fours. Gambang bahay. Gambang banyo. Careful. You can step on the tree. The steep root stairs doesn't end. Tinikaran.
Kaya mo mag-five din parang...
Welcome to the boulder face. The boulder face. The roots of stairs is over. The stone stairs has come. See these yellow rocks? These are sulfur. And they're hot. You can smell it in the air. Plants are also covered in sulfur. How about the open boulders? Boulders everywhere. Everywhere. Sulfuric rocks. Should be hot.
Break time muna. Sa boulders.
Nagutom. Kumain ng tikit.
Hangin. It's so windy. Sinat nilablob yung labs niya. Sobrang lamig.
Kamay ko yung niligas.
Nagaraya mixed paper bread na.
Nawala
mo say. Dito ini kalit og busog.
Abi na ako gritso na to ba?
Our friend Ilya and Bartek from Poland and Russia. Gas break and then push to summit. Dito na kami sa White Sand.
White sand.
White Sand. Hindi nyo kayo makita kasi walang ilaw. Pero
Kailangan.
G. We are here at the 87 degrees catching for sunrise. Grabe pa rin ang fog. Pero look at the angle of our climb. So steep. But Lablab is handling it. Lablab is handling it. Easy. Easy. Let's go. Almost there.
Oh, look at the fog. Grabe fog.
Ayun na.
Kanina lang.
Resting ang bibi. Look at the fog. Hangin siya pataas. So we're praying na mag-clear. That's King Kong. The first peak. Oh, let's go. The Crater Lake. He made it here, the Crater Lake. Woo! TikTokers. Ay, si King Kong labo.
Ah! Wala King Kong.
Look at this. We just finished breakfast, climbing our first peak. Our first and probably the last, because there's no clearing, but there's a little bit of hope. It's too cold. The wind, the chill. It's just too cold. There's my Great Speedy conquering Apo. That's the Digos Peak. Let's go. Let's go. Parang may pag-asa, sir, ah. Parang may pag-asa. There's hope. There's hope, oh. Love. Few more steps. Few more steps to peak. Thank you, Lord. Yung mga nauna sa amin, bumaba sila agad kasi hindi nag-clearing. Naghantay sila na 5. Oras natin ay hindi ko na alam, pero mataas na yung araw, dito yung araw. I see it. I see it. Welcome to Mount Apo Summit! Yes! Grabe!